The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and we are going to take a look at this video. You see me? This video is going to show a female talking about politicians within the country of Jamaica, and said some things that gave me the understanding that she's saying no road, no running water, no vote. You see me? This person also talk about other things as well. You see me? And after we take a look at this video, then I'm going to talk a little bit more about some of the things that this person has said in this video. You see? Yeah, and this video is out on social media where some persons agree with some of the things that this person had said. Some persons on social media do not agree with some of the things that this person had said as well. You see me? Now, as I present this video to you, you can also let me know if you agree or disagree with some of the things that this person has said. And yeah, we're going to take a look at this video right about now. And as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the languages used in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Hi, whoa, it's sticky past samano. It's sticky past samano. So through my voice, my point, I'ma say no road, no running water, no vote. On a little flyby there, pitch by night and a kitchhole. Cause only kitchhole fly a day and pitch by night because you can't see a day. You only can see a night. When me say wrong, you only can bash me on Facebook. But you can't do nothing more. And when me having a life, some man know we all of them me want bash me, and you no have what me have. Cause my life done set. What me have,
seems as if she's talking about persons
and I still can't.
Who might have
no matter the amount of men they want to take from Senti to St. Andrew, no still no have a shit. I'm gonna say it again. No road, no vote. No running water, no vote. Mama voice a quick point. So on a coward can't cuss. Where me live, I don't have running water. The road is a disaster. No matter how you creep, you're blooming at the pothole. If you swing out at one, you're dropping a 4 or 5 more. This is the life that Una want. Me not the one who go sell out my vote for chicken back and flour, or for fertilizer or whatever. The first MP when me just move back here, as we win and now get road, both JLP and PMP me a chat. Win 5 years, not do nothing. Another one come the same thing. Another one come the same thing. And don't want to come back under the same thing. Don't want to come back again, come to the same thing. People they are suffering go to all the MP. Go beg water and them telling us that the water come and no water now come. No water now come. So when me a chat, on a bitch will love take you up at this enough to take you. Me a nah tap say so. No road, no water, no friggin' vote. I'm a nah stop say so. Frig PMP, frig PMP and frig JLP cause no nah do a shit for poor people. When me live, when me buy a drum of water for 3,000, you don't get much water. If full the black drum me have, I might get 2 or 3 other blue drum if me get so much. I'm a pencil out to show you. When me and my family done beard out of that, tile flush out of that, all clean out of it, clothes wash out of it, the chicken them at least a drink 2.5 bucket each day. 2.5 bucket of water the chicken them a drink each day. Plate a wash up out of it. Come on now, people. The hog them a drink a bucket and a half of water. When the time at me have to throw a bucket or half bucket where each hog left for them get for cool down because the time is so hot, the heat will kill the hog and the pigs them.
Wow.
I try to talk when I cuss. Well, I no cuss all and no walk on a kitchen, bitch. No fun I talk about me for go look at work. Hey, my life done sort out already. Father God done create my destiny and said, baby Lee, this is what you're gonna have. And God make me achieve them. before me even have my daughter. When me having a life, I was somehow a better forget. I wanna not take man from Senti to St. Andrew to St. Catherine, or no still can't have what me have right now in a life. Or no still can't have it. Some man of behave is like one time a woman rape a man and them go to the police station, go report it. The police laugh after the man and say, what is? Woman a rape man, as a some man of behave. Because you know say the truth. And you know say nothing but the truth. But because no I look at hype and say rate it, turn, she forgot this and she forgot that. All I want to talk about me forgot look at job. My life sort out. I'm my own business. Not true, no say me sell a market. I have my own business, but me not hype. Them they are not nothing for hype over them. They have vanity because today me can be here and tomorrow me dead left it. And other people are going to inherit it. I'm not talking about no government breed me. Who did say government breed me? Kichol. Kichols. Who did say government breed me? I voice a point. And it affects me because I know it is the truth. No water, no vote. No road, no vote. No continue for Costco and a coward. Uno a coward. What me see? Uno a literally coward. Uno sell out in one country. Uno one community. Uno sell out for chicken back and rice and flour. Me no want no chicken back. Me no want no flour. Me no want no rice. Me want running water. Me tired fear by water. We tired of it. Some of the poor old people them will live across the gully and like me will live close the roadside when me have a jalopy. Me sorry for them. You no can't find time for give them water in the job, but you no can't find time for take them out of them house in this corona time and have them for motorcade. Because you want hype as some of the old people. You know wicked to yourself. And some of them want to go on and go people tank and beg them water. People for dash some piss for no. Because you can't defend so we want running water. But you can't take this for the JLP and the PMP as to go for a motorcade and then you turn a pest on people tank. Me a one girl when nobody can say in the community them ever see this a girl come at them tank with a bucket to buy water because I know some my daughter use water. One parish tank there in the community and it there way in one other community named Stanmore. Where you can't walk from Stanmore with a bucket of water for come at Abraham. Bungrung no water. Abraham no water. Schoolfield no water. Richie no water. Batam Bungrung no water. And many more places not have no water. I don't know talk about that, but you can't go on motorcade. I want one no clothes me up on the road and tap me and beg me. I drive out and me jalopy, you know, see. Cause me read no for no comment, you know. I want catch one and I'll come cross nowhere for me I come talk about, you know, want look water, you see. People wanna wise up. These politicians, them don't care about us. Them care about them, the PMP and JLP, them claim to say them love you know, but if them did love you know, them wouldn't draw no out in this COVID-19 and have no gather up. So you know say how much people feel in a church of people are worship God and no put put a stop to church and say only certain amount of people can go to church. Only certain amount of people can go in a one bar. Only certain amount of people can sit on a beach, but yet still hundreds of people upon a motorcade for because you know one win the election for poor people dead out and then you come on and chat to no one bag of SHIT. Well, who want bash me? No road, no vote. Frig PMP and frig JLP and that me say no road, no vote.
Viewers and subscribers, according to some of the things that this person had said in this video, I get the understanding that she's talking about some comments that persons had made on social media about her. You see me? This person also said some things that gave me the understanding that she's talking about politicians within the country of Jamaica from both PMP and JLP parties within the country of Jamaica. You see it? She also said some things that gave me the understanding that she's saying that no road, no running water, no vote. The full understanding I get from that is that she's saying that if she don't get any proper road within her community and water in the pipe within her community, then she's not voting. That's the full understanding I get according to that point that she made. Now, viewers and subscribers, how many times have you heard people within the country of Jamaica complain about politicians within the country of Jamaica and saying that they are not doing their job or their jobs? You see me? Because the amount of time when me hear persons complain with my own 2 ears, whether on social media or off social media, I can't count. You see me? I say me just can't count. You see? Can you imagine you have to buy water, put in a tank, right? And you know, if you have to use that water, spend so many money for full it, for full a tank. You see me? 3 grand, 4 grand, maybe more, depends on the amount of tank you have and all them things. You see me? I said to you, it's not easy, you know. Buying water to full a tank and other small jug is way more expensive than having the pipe water connected to your house and in your bathroom and in your kitchen and them place there where you just turn on your pipe and water is there. You see me? It's cheaper that way, you know, than to buy water put in a tank, you know. Because the person who drive the truck will have the water in it, you know. When they're bringing the water to you, you know, they are charging you in the way where they can buy back gas for them truck and them things there, viewers and subscribers. You see? So, them little thing there. You see me? And water is a must, you know. Water a life, you know. You see me? I say. Now when it comes on to the part where she's talking about persons who said things about her on social media, I am not talking about those things that she mentioned about. You see me? Those points, I'm not even going to touch those points. You understand? Because you see, when it comes on to the whole disrespect and argument and so forth, you know, a lot of times me try to avoid those things. But in this video, this person said some things that I think sounds interesting. You understand me? Yeah, this video is on social media and it's being talked about. You see me? And you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. You know me, keep you up to date and post it and make you know what's going on. Yeah, so viewers and subscribers, let me know if you agree with the part where she said no road, no running water, no vote. Let me know if you agree with that, you know? Here's where I'm going to leave it, alright? So, until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. We no big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.